Hey fellas and fellas, this is Rick Wilson on the road, and we are in Santa Rosa, New Mexico at the Blue Hole. It is about 105 degrees, and all these folks here are very happy to get in this water that stays around 61 degrees. The depth is 81 feet, and you know, it's so deep to have, what do you call them, divers that go down in there and get in little caverns here and there. It's real fun. But anyway, we thought we'd stop in. I hope you enjoyed as well. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.